Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I give you my 5 easy tips for selling on eBay to make your life easier. Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to today talk about 5 easy tips for selling on eBay. So my top 5 tips of things that I use to sell on eBay. So number 1, most important and probably the most useful is the eBay app. Okay, when you get the app on your phone, it does multiple different items. It will be able to look up items. If you're in a store or at a flea market or at a garage sale, you'll be able to look up the item, click on completed listings, find out, has this item even sold? Is anybody else selling it? How much is it going for? That gives you a ballpark on how much you can actually make money-wise from it. It also has a really nice voice recognition. So when you're searching for the item, there are 2 different ways that you can search for the item. You can actually scan the barcode now with the eBay app, which is really nice. But then you can also do voice recognition. So let's say you're looking up Tickle Me Elmo. So instead of typing Tickle Me Elmo, with your thumbs, you can just simply click the microphone and say Tickle Me Elmo. It'll type it right in there and it'll immediately pop up what you're looking for. So that's really, really a time saver when you're out and about sourcing. You can also list directly from your phone. I'm going to try to do a separate video on how to list directly from your phone on eBay, but you can list directly from your phone. That means even in the eBay app, taking photos and cropping them right there and putting all the details in. And the nice thing about listing from your phone is you can also use the voice recognition with that. So anytime you do a description, you can just speak the description, just check your spelling and make sure you have everything spelled right. So you can also, with the eBay app, it shows you what you've sold, if you need to ship anything, what you have bids on. And so it keeps track of what your active listings are. And of course, the typical thing you do with your eBay app is you can also purchase things offline with your eBay app. So most useful, the eBay app. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, I actually use, when I'm at home and if I'm listing from my laptop, I use a barcode scanner. They're very inexpensive. This one comes with a plug or without a plug. It has a USB port and I can use it wirelessly. And so I can actually scan the barcode in and it puts the UPC number into the field. And so that always helps when looking up items on eBay because eBay's now listing a lot with the UPC barcode as well. So a barcode scanner is a big, huge, just time saver. So that was number 2. Number 3, boxes. If you sell on eBay, you're going to have to ship it. The best option for boxes, United States Postal Service free boxes. So they come in various sizes. I've got this small one here. You can get bubble wrap mailers. And these are really nice to have because if you got something heavy but it'll fit inside of this, you have a flat fee that you pay that's usually cheaper than some of the priority mail options. I also use this. Let's say I was shipping this pen. I can put it in here and wrap it up and then shove it in the box and I now have bubble wrap packaging, okay? And then they've also got larger boxes. You can get the flat rate boxes. This one is actually a large flat rate box. It's the square version. They have a rectangular version. They also have game board size boxes, and you can get generic priority mail size boxes. So boxes is a biggie. So that's the biggest source that I usually get my boxes from is the United States Postal Service. You can also buy various different sizes of boxes from companies like Uline, where they have a variety of different boxes, but keeping boxes on hand is something that's necessary for selling on eBay. I will sometimes purchase boxes from Walmart. They have really nice shipping boxes that you can purchase. And then if you don't want to pay for boxes from Uline or Walmart, you can go to any local grocery store and generally they have boxes that they will be willing to get rid of for you. So if you want to keep your costs low, just go check out the local Dollar General or local grocery store and you can usually pick up boxes there. So that was number 3, boxes. So number 1, your app, most important. Number 2, a barcode scanner. Number 3, boxes. And also you can use the bubble wrapped envelopes for padding. Number 4, which has been really beneficial for me, is I get these half sheet mailers. I don't know if you can tell, but they're the large half sheet mailers. And what you do is you can print your label on it and then just simply peel and stick right on. And these stick really, really well. When I first started doing eBay, I would print the labels on paper and then use packing tape to tape around, but you're not allowed to tape over the barcode on your shipping label. And so these labels are really, really nice because they do not come off. They stick to everything. So having these half sheet labels, if you want to try to buy them online, you can buy them on eBay or Amazon, or even go to the store and buy them, like an office supply store, but they're usually 2 labels per page. And so they're really, really convenient and easy to use. And then the last thing that I use, that's also a huge time saver for me, is I do the United States Postal Service pickup. If you live anywhere a distance away from a post office, or you just want the convenience of not having to run to the post office every single time you have to ship something, you're going to want to utilize the United States Postal Service pickup option. And all you have to simply do is you can either use their app or go online to USPS.com, and you just type in your information and then schedule a pickup for the very next day. And it's free of charge. As long as you want it the very next day during your regular mail delivery, you have options of where you're going to put it. I always keep mine under the carport so it doesn't get rained on, and they know where to find it. I have a little tote that I keep right next to the end of the carport, and they just drive in the back, pick it up, throw it in there, and I never even have to be bugged by a mail person. So utilizing the United States Postal Service free pickup. So that was the 5th one. So number 1, your eBay app. Number 2, your barcode scanner. Number 3, boxes and packaging supplies. Number 4, your mailing labels. And number 5, your United States Postal Service pickup, so you don't have to drive to the store. So hopefully those are 5 easy steps for selling on eBay, and it will make your life a lot more easy. And for the most part, most of these things are relatively inexpensive or free. The most expensive thing, I think, is your barcode scanner, which you may or may not decide to utilize. So I hope this has been super helpful and that you learned something, and this helps equip you to sell more efficiently and faster and better on eBay. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.